I don't have any names for any of these things. I just know physical therapist, doctor told me do them, so I'm finna do them. The tendons in my shoulders. Oh, God. Today was really a strength focus. The small muscles that we usually don't train focus. I don't know the names of none of that shit. Talk to your therapist, but do these shits at home if you want to get a little bit, you know what I mean, stronger. Ooh. Sorry about the hiccups, but if you want to get a little bit stronger in your shoulders area, like the back part, because I know for sure, the back, whatever this is, deltoid, rear delts, them shit's a shot for me. What's up? What's up, YouTube? Ooh, I got the hiccups. But who gives a fuck? Still gotta go. Or, I mean, still gotta do the workout. Today is, I think I'm gonna do shoulders. This morning, I woke up, did another lap around, well, I did 5 laps around my complex. Oh, I'm shot, my abs hurt just sitting and getting up. I don't miss this part of about trying to get skinny or trying to get leaner. My body fat percentage is still the same, but I have dropped about, 10 pounds now? So, I don't know. One thing I don't like is I can tell that I'm a little bit smaller. My shorty said I don't look like a dad anymore. I don't have the little pokey dad bod belly. But I do not like the pain that comes with these abs. Every time I get up or sit down, my lower ab is killing me. So if y'all haven't tried that ab / cardio day workout, go tap in. Okay, but yeah, today, shoulders. What are we doing? I'm not really sure yet. Just finna go with the flow. Definitely gotta stretch first. Like I said, I already did my cardio for this morning, but I just did like 5 trips from my apartment to the apartment gym because I kept forgetting shit. At first, I forgot my water, then I forgot my memory card, then I forgot the keys to let me to the gym. So it's like, yeah, I'm cutting my cardio time from 15 minutes to 10 minutes because I feel like I already did 5 minutes worth of walking. So let's find a liquid video that's gonna keep us entertained while I do this horrible cardio. I am about to try to target all the little muscles in my shoulders that I usually don't hit. So I'm not doing nothing major, or the regular, any pushing motion. I'm gonna try to target all the little things that when I do a little bit of it hurts. Like this, whatever this motion is called, my therapist put me on. And this right here kills some liquid joint right here or liquid muscle right here that I don't use at all, ever. So I'm gonna start off with that and then move on to the next thing. Oh God. Like, and this is only what, 30 pounds? It's not even heavy, but just, I don't know. It's just the muscles I don't use that my therapist has told me to target so I can be stronger overall. And that's what I'm gonna work on today. You don't gotta do that. I know it's a lot of shit that we just ignore in our body, so I'm trying to be stronger and healthier in general, so I'm not doing that. Fucking hate my hiccups. But, all right, shut up. Another thing my therapist told me to work on is my, whatever this is. It's not even hard, lightweight, focus on the squeeze. So it's supposed to be something like this. I really feel it like up here. It's like I don't know. I know my shoulders are shot and I'm just following orders at this point. Another thing I need to work on is this. So, because my wrist and, oh my God, I hate this hiccup situation. So because my wrist and thumb is fucked up, she wanted me to do like a push-up motion, but I can't do that. So I do it like this and do this. It's supposed to help straighten the tendons in my shoulders. Hopefully it works. I mean, I feel something because this shit hurt like a bitch anyway. And it's not like something stupid hard. Anybody can do it. Fuck me. All right. Next. Okay, next. I forgot how she set it up. I'm pretty sure it was like something like that. Yeah. So she also had me do this. Why? I have no idea, but I'm following orders, so I'm gonna do it anyway. I think she didn't want me to bend my elbows. Yeah, that makes more sense. Yep, that makes more sense. Oh, God. Yeah, I feel like you gotta focus on that stretch with your elbows locked when it goes back out, and then pull it back. Fuck. This is the part that sucks. That's not fun. That nobody wants to do. All right, so that was 4 different things. We had this, this, the little push-up motion, and this. So I'm gonna just do those 4. Focus on slow and steady, and then kick rocks. Nothing too heavy today. Slight little session of really strengthening or trying to strengthen my fucking shoulders, so I'm not crippled for life. I'm trying to get rid of shoulder pains and shit like that. Hey, take care of your body, and your body will take care of you. Fuck it. Ooh, let me get y'all a quote of the day. You do not gain anything from stressing. Remember that. Simple, straight to the point. Try not to stress yourself out, overstress yourself out. Try to stay positive, try to stay motivated. I don't have any names for any of these things. I just know physical therapist, doctor told me do them, so I'm finna do them. Today was really a strength focus. The small muscles that we usually don't train focus. I don't know the names of none of that shit. Talk to your therapist, but do these shits at home if you want to get a little bit, you know what I mean, stronger. Ooh, sorry about the hiccups, but if you want to get a little bit stronger in your shoulders area, like the back part, because I know for sure, the back, whatever this is, deltoid, rear delts, them shit's a shot for me. So, yeah, work on that. I ain't finna bore y'all because I'm gonna do the same shit again 2 more times. And then we kicking rocks. But without further ado, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Stay positive. I can't get this hiccup down, bro. Look, without further ado, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Stay positive, stay motivated. Peace. Had to say it quick before the hiccup came back. But it is what it is. Stay positive, stay motivated. Once again, peace. Look opposing time. See what we got for y'all. Boys, y'all gonna see me with abs soon. That's crazy. Yep, I'm not ready for that. I see them shoulders, they look getting better. But it is what it is. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one, man.